Hi everybody, here's a quick update of my Kenwood TS50S nostalgia experience. I managed to get hold of a Kenwood AT-50 tuner from eBay, and of course I already had a peek inside and it looks to be in quite nice condition. Pending the usual electrolytic capacitor replacement, of course. Here you can see me cycling through the bands, and as you can see the AT-50 picks up the band change and goes into tuning mode, which means the two motor-driven capacitors inside the tuner are getting set to the right values remembered from the last tuning cycle. There is no battery in the AT-50, so maybe the TS50 holds the memory and sends it over the serial connection. Does anybody know? I have the Revex W570 connected between the TS50S and the AT-50. So if I now try a tuning cycle, you will see the SWR drop when the tuning has finished. Let's try that on 80 meter. I tuned on 3.6 MHz already, and now I set it to 3.8 MHz. Let's see how that goes. Okay, nothing to see. Maybe the SWR was already quite good. So let's try 160 meter instead. My 80 meter end-fed half wave is definitely not resonant there, says the Nano VNA. So let me switch it to 2 MHz. Okay, 1.999 MHz. Hit the tune button. Okay, and as you can see, very bad SWR. The motor starts spinning. You see the SWR drop on the Revex and also below on the LEDs of the tuner. And voila, job done. I built the ATU100 a while ago, but having a data connection with memory between rig and ATU is really nice. So now I just need to patiently wait for an MC47 microphone to come my way, and then I can complete the rig I wanted and could not afford when I got my big license journey that started over 20 years ago. So thanks for watching, and until next time, 73 from Tobias DL3 MHT.